Hey everybody, it's Mr. Sauer, and today I was going to do a quick unboxing on a new level hydro 5-gallon DWC buckets with a Venturi pump hookup for your faucet or hose. Like if you have a sink nearby, these have the ability to hook into your kitchen sink through the adapter piece and through the Venturi pump, and you can use your kitchen sink to fill your buckets. It also comes with some rock wool and a hose splitter. And then I'll open up the boxes here and show you what's on the inside. These are sets of 2. So I got some stickers. New level hydro. You can see it's been safely packed. Got hosing, and then two basket lids. They have a spot here where you can easily use it to check your water level, or not check your water level, but to take readings and whatnot, or add nutrition. Together here real quick. Show you how fast they assemble. This is another piece that goes to where the hookup for like I was talking about, the easy hookup for the sink. Does come with your air stones with the suckers, so it can stay stuck to the bottom. Like I said, this was a 2-bucket kit. This is the reading tube. But I'm just showing you how fast it assembles. These are just little red markers. Little red rubber markers is all they are. And then the tube would simply slide over that. And then, as you can see here, it has a floater in it, so it'll tell you, the level of where your water is at during your grow up to the bottom of your basket. And so that's why they are the new level hydro baskets. Set that to the side. But as you see, the assembly and everything is really fast, really simple. It's not very complicated at all. This was, like I said, the 2-bucket kit. The buckets do come with a pre-drilled spot for the air line. And the lids, I have had used these one prior before this. The lids work very well as far as everything together, so you don't have any light leaks or anything. I've had really good success so far with the one I have used. But I will be doing a Pro Series coming up using these. Also in the kit, you get some pebbles. Another bag of pebbles. The other one is likely where the air pump is at. air pump here is a Aquanite, which is a 2-quart pump. And it also does come with some stones apparently. And a one-way check valve, looks like. So that is the pump. There should be another one in the box somewhere. But and like I said, that was the this is the new Level Hydro DWC bucket kit. That is everything you get. Like I said, I got obviously two, the dual bucket kits, so when you buy one bucket you still get all the things that I showed, but you only get one of, so the appropriate amounts for this or that. But yes, I want to thank everybody for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I will catch you again next time. Oh yeah, there's also a link for this in the description if you wish to purchase one.